Welcome to the final slime Sunday of the year. Over the past months, I have shown you how to make your own slime in a variety of ways. If stored properly, this slime can last for quite some time. I made this batch and stored it to create this month's project. In addition to the pre-made slime, I used green glitter and a plastic ornament for storage. I did have to knead my slime some to reactivate it. Add the glitter to the slime. Storing in this ornament adds to the theme and gives the slime a safe storage place for later play. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.